Namaskaram. So today we will learn about Sun Salutation B. To know more about Sun Salutation A and theoretical aspects, I mentioned the link in the description box. Please take a look on that. And before we practicing this, you need to practice about Sun Salutation A first, and then we'll come to this video. Okay. So in Sun Salutation B, we have a 17 vinyasas, which means we have a 17 steps. So it is similar to Sun Salutation A, but we'll add about 2 postures. We need to add more. So one is when you're standing from the Samasthiti. Normally in Sun Salutation A, you will start from here, but here you will start from Utkatasana, like this. Okay. So the Utkatasana, normally it is translated to as a chair pose, which is very wrong thing to do, because there is a lot of difference. Because whenever you see, that's the beauty of Sanskrit language, is that whenever if you want to know about each posture, how to do, what is the benefit of it, and what is the reason behind these postures, you must know about the Sanskrit names of it, because behind the name everything is mentioned in there only, if you see little closer. So Utkatasana have a lot of sense, but when you translate to the chair pose, which is basically trying to do like this in a chair pose, okay, which is not it. Utkatasana, it is a form of Devi or feminine energy. They have 2 kind of variations in this. One is where you keep your leg a little wider like this, and then you will do the posture. And another one is where your feet will be together, and how we do in a Sun Salutation B. So in this posture, what we're doing is we're trying to focus more on pressing the heel down, and then engaging the core below the navel, which is the Samana, region of the Samana energy, and then a Manipura chakra, and then try to engage it as much as possible, and try to push it upward to engage the core and to create the heat. It's similar like a Sun Salutation, but in an intensive level, a little bit more intense. Okay. So how to do it? You just stand in Samasthiti, just like this, and then you just need to bend the knee a little bit, and then bring your hands up. So while you're lifting it up, what you have to do is you have to bend the knee a little bit, press your toes and heels to the floor. Below the navel, you have to pull in, and then straight your back and look at your thumb like that. You need to make sure you're not curving your back or loading a lot of energy or looking down. Don't do this, okay? The gazing point is very important in Ashtanga practice. So you look at your palm and directing to upward. Ekam, inhale. Now Dve, exhale, same like a Sun Salutation A. Trini, inhale, look up. Chest up, look up. Again Chatwari, same. Ashtanga Namana. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Now from here, you will add Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1. So what you have to do, bring your heels up, then drop your left heel down to the floor, engage your belly, push your scapula, bring your leg close to the chest, bring your right foot close to the right palm. If you see here, you can see the foot is close to the right wrist, next to this one, just like this, okay? And then press your feet down, press your foot down completely, then come up, tight your left hip, bring your belly in, open your chest and bring your palms up. Stretch high as much as possible. Now Ashto, exhale down. Again, exactly place your palm wherever it was. Just place it there. Heels up. Use your core, lift your leg up. Leg back, Ashtanga Namana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, again opposite side. First drop your right heel, bring your left leg forward, expand your scapula, use your core, place your left foot exactly near to the left wrist, press your feet, come up, squeeze your right hip, straight your leg, engage your belly, open your chest, look at your thumb. Make sure you're not doing any back bending stuffs here. Just stretch length higher as much as possible. Exhalation, Dvadasha. Exactly, drop your palm wherever it was. Heels up. leg up, engage your core, bring back Ashtanga Navana. Trayodasha, inhale, Chaturdasha, exhale. Now here, you stay for 5 deep breaths. After this, again, Panchadasha, inhale, both the legs forward, look up, Shodasha, exhale, Saptadasha, 17, Utkatasana again, and Samasthiti, exhale, relax. So this is the 17th step or 17 vinyasa of Sun Salutation B. Let me lead it, let me do it in 5 times. So I will lead it and then follow me, okay? Feet together, Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, look up. Open your chest. Chatvari, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Bring your leg back, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, Cobra pose. Set your toes back, heels together. Shat, exhale. Sapto, heels up. Drop your left heel, right leg forward. Press your feet and come up. Ashto, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, heels up. Drop your right heel. Left leg forward. Come up. Dvadasha, exhale, down. Lift up. Ashtanga Namana. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay here for 5 deep breath. Ujjayi, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, both the leg forward, walk forward, look up. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, Utkatasana, Samasthiti. Again, Ekam, inhale, Utkatasana. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest. Chatvari, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Bring your leg back, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, Cobra pose. Set your toes back, heels together. Shat, exhale. Sapto, heels up. Drop your left heel, right leg forward. Press your feet and come up. Ashto, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, heels up. Drop your right heel. Left leg forward. Come up. Dvadasha, exhale, down. Lift up. Ashtanga Namana. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay here for 5 deep breath. Ujjayi, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, both the leg forward, walk forward, look up. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, Utkatasana, Samasthiti. Again, Ekam, inhale, Utkatasana. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest. Chatvari, exhale, Ashtanga Namana. Bring your leg back, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, Cobra pose. Set your toes back, heels together. Shat, exhale. Sapto, heels up, drop your left heel, right leg forward. Press your feet and come up. Ashto, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, heels up. Drop your right heel. Left leg forward. Come up. Dvadasha, exhale, down. Lift up. Ashtanga Namana. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay here for 5 deep breathe. Ujjayi breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, both the leg forward, walk forward, look up. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, Utkatasana, Samasthiti. Again, Ekam, inhale, Utkatasana. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest. Chatvari, exhale, Ashtanga Namana. Bring your leg back, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, Cobra pose. Set your toes back, heels together. Shat, exhale. Sapto, heels up. Drop your left heel, right leg forward. Press your feet and come up. Ashto, exhale. Ashtanga Namana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, heels up. Drop your right heel. Left leg forward. Come up. Dvadasha, exhale, down, lift up. Ashtanga Namana. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay here for 5 deep breathe. Ujjayi breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, both the leg forward, walk forward, look up. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, Utkatasana, Samasthiti. So practice this. You need to make sure when you're practicing this, you also did Sun Salutation A first, and Sun Salutation A, Sun Salutation B, you're supposed to practice 5 times. In the initial stage, you don't have to do any other postures. You just start from here only. Sun Salutation A and B, 5 rounds every day. So that's how you start Ashtanga practice. Further questions, please comment below. Have a good day. Namaskaram.